Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 best Eureka vacuum cleaners in the market. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying Eureka vacuum cleaners. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At number 3, Eureka Rally 2 Canister Vacuum. Includes an automatic cord rewind feature, which is nice to have in this low price point. Weighs less than 12 pounds, so you can take it anywhere. Gives you a 17-foot power cord so you can work in a large area before having to move the cord to a new outlet. Works with both hard flooring and carpeting. Really inexpensive canister-style vacuum cleaner that you can carry anywhere. May generate a high-pitched noise as it runs. Longevity is questionable. At number 2, Eureka Mite Pet Lover Canister Vacuum. Includes a strong HEPA filter to capture a high level of dust and pet dander. Will give you a 20-foot power cord, so you can work in a wide area. Weighs less than 9 pounds. Includes a telescoping wand and a crevice tool to help clean pet hair more efficiently. Available in 3 colors of blue, yellow, or purple. Delivers many of the best features of the original Mite